Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Wow. Not many people I've seen have amp racks on top of the box. That's pretty cool.
They did pretty good. I mean, I got a lot of, when you posted my last video, they gave me hell about
Really?
Yeah.
I like it.
Talking about, oh, you're going to ruin your amps are going to be trash.
You haven't had any problems?
No, as long as you do it properly.
Yeah.
Which, yeah, mine.
Yeah, it looks good. What's your name and what's in here?
Jessica Day, and I have two of the HGX4 12s. They each have a 4500 per sub and half ohm. And I've got two of the Q90s that run all my highs.
Okay. How's your voltage, like your electrical, your battery, and alternator power?
It's fluctuating right now. I got a 390 alternator plus a 45 amp hour C-Max.
Oh, okay.
So,
awesome.
You want to see the back?
Yes, ma'am. I would love to. Nice.
Upgrade her a little bit.
That looks good. Is this the 4-inch or the 3-inch coil?
That's the 4-inch coil.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Thank you. You guys remember making the keyboard? Yeah,
I do.
I was still in the progressing stage. I had only been doing it probably a few months.
So what are your tunings on the 6-cylinder?
2550.
2550. Okay, half an octave between. Very nice. Looks really good. Wow. Do you have any kind of fan system, or is it just sitting with cool flow?
But these guys, I mean,
oh, you can use AC right on it. There you go.
These amps do really well, though. I mean, honestly, they actually like demo for hours. And you can use it with your hand out.
Yeah. Are these at 1 ohm?
Half ohm.
Oh, you're right at half ohm. Okay.
Yeah. I'm running at half ohm. So with my box ride,
Yeah.
you see like a 1.5.
Yes, ma'am.
And probably about 3,800 watts each cell. Which they can go all the way to 6,000 watts.
Yeah, they're high reading.
I mean,
I'm running the same subs now on my boat over there. 418s. I'll give you a demo.
how they hold up like excursion-wise. I don't have a problem out of the 12s, but he's got the 15s.
Yeah.
And his keeps over.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Wow, you don't realize how loud bass vibrates everything. Nice.
think she lost, I'm just a mess. I got my PT on, that's a black watch. And all I do is live, my pockets look like jackpots. Check my calendar, it's still like
bandwidth too. It doesn't fall off. You don't have just one little peak. You have a flat
And I
response.
only have 6 speakers in here. That's it for my mids and highs.
So it works.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.